Hello students, welcome to the accountancy class part 5 revenues. These are the amount earned by a business concern through sales of its product or providing service to customer. The receipt of recurring nature. The common item of revenue are sales, commission received, rent received, interest received, etc. Next item, expenditure. Expenditure is the amount of resources consumed for the acquisition of assets, the benefit from which is derived over a period which extends beyond the accounting year. It is long term in nature. In the ordinary usage, expenditure is classified into capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. The revenue expenditure refers only ordinary business expense. Next one, expense. The amount spent in the process of earning revenue is termed as expense. Wages, salary, rent, interest, electricity charges, etc. are example. Expense bring in some benefit to the firm. Expense refers to only revenue expenditure. Income. Income is the increase in the net worth of the organization either from business activity or other activities. In accounting, income leads to positive change in the wealth of the firm over a period of time. Income includes profit also. Next, loss. Loss is the gross decrease in the asset or gross decrease in the liabilities. Next, gain or profit. It is the excess of revenue over expense in an accounting year and represent increase in net asset or owner's equity. Next, purchase. The total amount of goods procured by a business concern for cash or credit for the purpose of sales or use is known as purchase. In the case of a trading concern, this is the major item of expense. Next one, sales. It is the income earned from the sales of goods or service rendered. Sales may be cash sales or credit sales. The amount received from the sales of fixed asset is not treated as sales. Next one, stock. The goods available with the business for sales on a particular date is termed as stock. It varies with every transaction of purchase and sales. The value of goods remaining unsold at the end of an accounting period is termed as closing stock. Stock is also called inventory. Next, debtors. Debtors are persons and other entities who owe money to the business on receiving goods and service on credit. Last one, creditors. Creditors are persons or other entities who have a claim for money against the business for any goods supplied or service rendered by them on credit. This part has completed. Thank you.